You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model Y long range dual motor, all electric, that comes fully loaded, ABS, traction, stability control, premium wheels, gets over 300 miles at 100% charge, black exterior, black premium wheels, black interior, premium interior as well. It's right here. Heated leather seats. I'm sorry, vinyl seats. Heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles, full self-driving, fully paid for. So that's a $8,000 option. Premium audio, heat pump, biohazard defense mode, heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad. It's a nice clean car. Absolutely no stories. Power tailgate. It does come with a charger. No burn holes, no dog hair, no odors or anything like that. Still under full factory warranty. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.